children, today we will learn chapter 9 articles of class 3 grammar books, English grammar books. So A and D, here A and D are articles. Okay, A and D are called articles. Look at the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, in these alphabets, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. You know, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Now, look at this example. An orange. Here, orange starts with vowel. Okay. First letter is O, and O is vowel. So, here before orange we write N. We use N because orange starts with vowel. Clear? And this one, an elephant. Here also elephant starts with E, and E is vowel. So, before this we use N. Okay, clear? So, a word starts with vowel, then before it we use N. Okay, clear? And N is used only for singular. Okay, we cannot write an oranges or an elephants. We should write an orange, an elephant. Clear? Now, consonants. So, here A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest are consonants. Rest are means B, C, D, F, G, so on. So, these are consonants. Look at the example. A, dog. So, dog starts with D and D is consonant. So, here where this word starts with D, then we use A. Before the word we use A. And another one, a cat. So, here also cat starts with consonant. C is consonant. Look, C is consonant. So, here also before cat we use A. Clear? And here also only A is used only for singular. So, A and A are used only in singular. It is clear? Okay. Now, always this rule are not followed. There is some exception. Look at these words. Honor, honest, hour. In these words, H is silent. We say honor. We don't use H. We say honor. And we say honest. And we say hour. So, here H is silent. Thus, we see the alphabet next to H, that is O, which is vowel. So, here we use N. Okay. So, we write an honest man. If we will write a honest man, then it will be wrong. Clear? Okay. Now we will discuss about the. Now use of the. Look at this example. The principal of our school. And second one, the driver of the red car. So here the driver of the red car. So there are many driver. Okay. But in this sentence it is said the driver of the red car. Which driver? The driver of the red car. So here before driver we use the. For specific purpose we use the. Okay, clear? Now next, look at this example. The sun and the moon. Thing which exists only as one, then we use the. Before this we use the. Okay, clear? And here also the moon, because only sun, we know there is only sun, there is only a moon. So here we use the. And there are some exception here also. For places we cannot use the, such as West Bengal. We only write West Bengal. We don't write the West Bengal. If we write the West Bengal, then it will be wrong. Okay. So clear? So today we have learned about a and the articles. Okay. Thank you.